Hey, what's up YouTube beauties? It's Tara Marie here. Today I have a Boxyluxe unboxing for you. Every quarter, like every third month, BoxyCharm gives you the option to upgrade your box to this very big, and I know I shouldn't have, but I like peeled the paper off. Ooh. But this very large version of their usual monthly boxes. So today, just in case you're curious on is upgrading worth it, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for this month. This is March's box, and the theme here was La Vie en Rose. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. But that is the theme for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and just jump into what we got here. First thing in the box is this kind of makeup carrying case. Let's see, open this up really quick. So I'm just gonna throw everything on the floor. Now clean it up. Oh, so this is like pretty cute. So it's like a gold and like rose gold. Let me finish unwrapping this. So it's like a gold slash rose gold, like it has flickers of rose gold in it. Just this really cute, soft, compressible makeup carrying case. And let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, and it's so cute. It has BoxyCharm. It's branded for BoxyCharm on the inside here. And there's no additional pockets, but this is great for if you're going on vacation. It's a really good quality bag or a makeup carrying case. So definitely a win, because you can never, I don't know, for me personally, like I can never have too many makeup carrying cases. So definitely be putting this to good use. Next in here, love, they put in some Lily lashes in this box. And this is in the style, well, I can't find the style, but this is what the lashes look like. I am super excited to try these out. Maybe I'll use these in my next video. So we have that in there. And then we also have this iconic London eyebrow cushion. Here is the packaging. Very nice and sleek packaging here. If I can go ahead and open this box. I always like destroy all of my boxes, so whatever. Go ahead and tear this baby open. So flip this off, throw that away. Love this. Oh, you can actually see me. What up? Okay, so it's also very nice and sleek packaging here from iconic London. And if I open this up, you know, it has a compact mirror, and then it also has this foldable, like dual-ended spoolie. There's a spoolie on one end, and then on the other end they have just like an angled eyebrow brush, and you can fold it up to make it super compact. And then on the inside of this here, you can open it up, and then they have this little protective piece. And then when you pull that off, you have the lighter and darker shade, and it is like pretty wet in there. So I'm super excited to try that as well. Maybe in my next video, I can just do a look using all of these products. So that is what we have next in our box. And then after that, we have a lipstick from Becca Cosmetics. So we have some pretty good like brands in this month's box. So I'm in love with this gold just lipstick tube. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then it has the Becca name on the side there. And this is the shade. Mine is in the shade Taupe. And just so you can see a swatch of what that looks like on my complexion. Oh, this is so pretty. Really beautiful, really super high quality. It has like a little magnet piece in here to keep it nice and sealed. So I'll go ahead and slip that back in the box. Definitely great. And I'll tell you what these retail value as also. So I paid $50 for the Boxyluxe box. And so far from the bag, let's see, the bag. Okay, so the case, MSRP is $20. The Lily Lashes MSRP are $24. This Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion, $40. And the Becca Cosmetics lipstick is $24. So already, like, I've gotten such a huge deal off of the products that I've gotten since I've only paid $50 for this entire box. And we're still not done. So also in here, we have some Moda face brushes. And in here, they have a powder and a highlighter brush. I'll go ahead and open this up. Okay, so these brushes are super cute. Let's see. So this is more of your like loose, this is a pretty loose brush, but I can definitely see it being really great for highlighting. So love this. And then we have a powder brush in here as well. And the bristles on here are super soft. This one is great for all over face. Like if you're, wow, this feels so nice. If you're just like buffing all over face powder in or whatever, like these two, love these. And these retail at $29.99 for just these two brushes. And like I said, I paid 50 bucks for this entire box. So moving on, we also have some nail polish in here. So it's not just like strictly makeup focused. So this nail polish is from Deborah Lippmann, and this is the packaging. This focus, that's packaging there. And these two nail colors are so adorable. This is like a rose, kind of like the same color as the makeup bag. And then we have this like pale, like lavender color, which I think I'm actually going to use that today because I do not have my nails done. I like never have my nails done. So that'll be great for me. And that retails at $20. And for skincare, they also like put in some skincare usually in these boxes. And for this month, we have the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And here we are, and I am excited to use this as well. Let's see. Oh, it smells like lemons. Oh wow, it smells really refreshing. So I'll let you guys know how that is once I try it out. And then we also have a little bit more skincare. We have some overnight cream from It Cosmetics. This is a transforming moisturizing super cream with anti-aging principles. So if you're looking for something that's anti-aging and for some night cream, there you go. They threw some of that in there for you. And then lastly, we have two more. So they did send me, so this right here is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which is, you know, super high quality. It retails at $45. And this is what the inside of that palette looks like. So I got an email from the CEO saying that they sent me the wrong color. So this is more for your medium light. And I was supposed to get the medium dark palette for my skin tone. So, but what they did do, they put like a bunch of extra points in my account so that if I wanted to, I can go ahead and order the darker palette free of charge. So, you know, that's always great. If they have a mishap, they'll be sure to fix it. But this is what the medium light palette looks like. I'm not sure, maybe I can like try some of these highlighters in here, but I really want the darker palette. So they have that in there as well. And then last but not least, what I am most excited for is this. They put a Morphe 15N Nightmaster eyeshadow palette in here. And also excited to try out a look. Oops, sorry, I had that upside down. Do a look for you guys on that. And these are the shades that come in the palette. I'm super, super excited to work with these purples down here because I've been wanting to do something purple. And so yeah, I'm super excited to start working with this palette. And that is everything. And then for this Morphe palette, this goes in the store for $16. So as a total, this is well over $100 worth of products that we've, you know, gotten for 50 bucks. So I figure like I definitely love this month's Boxyluxe box. And if you're thinking about doing it, you know, I would totally say that it's worth it, especially if you're a huge makeup junkie and you can always cancel it or go back to the regular size boxes every month if that's what you like. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully this helped you decide on if you wanted to try BoxyCharm at all, or if you're thinking about upgrading to the once a quarter Boxyluxe box. Hopefully, you know, this helped you determine, you know, what you want to do and if you think it's worth it. And yeah, let me know what you think of this video and if you would like me to do more unboxings of these BoxyCharm boxes. This is not in a paid sponsorship with them. This is just me giving my opinion on everything, and in my future videos I will be using these products, so I'll give you a more in-depth review on the products themselves and the quality of what's actually in the box. Usually from like past experiences, everything that's come in the box has been really great quality. A lot of the stuff I've used in my videos actually have come from my monthly BoxyCharm boxes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this and I look forward to catching you all in my next video. Bye.